my name is Tanufara Izzati binti Tamama Rosdan. My student ID is 2024200492.
Hi, my name is Risa Rizdaina binti Remiroy. My student ID is 202442024.
Hi, my name is Norhana Izdani binti Jamni and my student ID is 20244366616.
Hi, my name is Nursuliha binti Muhammad Effendi and my student ID 2024649396.
Part A, Question 1. Ayah had a fund of 50,000 ringgit and planned to invest it in two different schemes. She invested 55% of her money in Scheme A, which pays 6% compounded quarterly, and the balance in Scheme B, which pays K% compounded semi-annually. After 10 years, the accumulated amount for both investments were 95,000. Find K. Scheme A, 55% of 50,000 equals to 27,500. P is original principal, K is interest rate, M is frequency of conversions, N is periods, and T is interest period. P equals to 27,500, K equals to 0.06, M equals to 4, N equals to 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40, and I equals to 0.06 over 4. For Scheme A, we use the formula of S equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I power of N equals to 27,500 multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 over 4 power by 40 equals to 49,885 ringgit 51 cent. For Scheme B, 95,000 minus 49,885 ringgit 51 cent equals to 45,140 ringgit 49 cent. P equals to 50,000 minus 27,500 equals to 22,500. N equals to 2 multiplied by 10 equals to 20. I equals to K over 2. M equals to 2. To find the K, we use the formula of S equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I power by N. So, 45,140 ringgit 49 cent equals to 22,500 multiplied by 1 plus K over 2 power by 20. 45,140 ringgit 49 cent divided by 22,500 equals to 1 plus K over 2 power by 20. And then we get 2.005088444 equals to 1 plus K over 2 power by 20. And then we transfer the power of 20 and it becomes root of 20. 2.005088444 minus 1 equals to K over 2 equals to 0.03539646214 multiplied by 2 equals to 0.0708, and then we get the K equals to 7.08%.
Question 2. Khadijah wants to save her money saving in Kayu Bank, which offers two types of compound interest, namely Account X and Account Y. Account X pays a 5.5% annual interest rate that is compounded monthly, while Account Y pays a 4.7% annual interest rate that is compounded every 6 months. Khadijah is considering investing her 38,000 ringgit in one of these accounts for 6 years. After the investment periods, compare the final balance in both accounts and the interest received. Recommend Khadijah on which account she should choose that will provide a higher return. Explain your calculation and reasoning, as well as any assumption you made during analysis.
Account X. P is 38,000 ringgit. I is 0.055 over 12. N is 12 multiplied with 6 equal to 72. We use formula X equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I power N. X equal to 38,000 multiplied with 1 plus 0.055 over 12 power 72. S equal to 52,816 ringgit 95 cents. For interest, we use formula I equals to S minus P. 52,816 ringgit 95 cent minus 38,000 equal to 50,816 ringgit 95 cent. Account Y. I is 0.047 over 2. N is 2 multiplied with 6. We use formula S equal to P multiplied with 1 plus I power N. S equal to 38,000 multiplied with 1 plus 47 over 2,000 power 12. S equal to 50,215 ringgit 50 cents. For interest, we use formula I equal to X minus P. 50,215 ringgit 50 cent minus 38,000 equal to 12,215 ringgit 50 cent. Based on the calculation, I believe Khadijah should choose account Y because she get a higher return, which is 52,860 ringgit 95 cent.
So now we're going to move it on part B, question number 1. Could you explain the types of annuities? There are two types of annuities. First, ordinary annuity certain, and second, annuity certain. For ordinary annuity certain, period payments are made at the end of each payment interval. For example, if payment periods are in terms of months, then the payments are made at the end of each month. For annuity certain, payments are made at the beginning of each payment interval.
We are moving on to part B, question 2. Ah Cheong deposited 700 every 3 months into an account that offered an interest rate of 4.17% compounded quantity. Find the total amount he will receive at the end of 8 years and 9 months. R is considered as the size of each periodic payment. K is considered as interest rate. M is the frequency of conversion. T is considered as interest period. And I is interest rate per period. So R is 7,000, K is 0.0417, M is equal to 4, T equals to 8 over 9 over 12, and I equals to 0.0417 over 4. For N equals to 4 multiplied by 8 over 9 over 12 equals to 35. The formula that we're going to use for question 2 are S equal to R 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 over I. 7,001 plus 0.0417 over 4 powered by 35 minus 1 over 0.0417 over 4. S equal to 29,384 ringgit 29 cent. Next, we are moving on to part B, question 3. Humaira took an 50,000 ringgit personal loan to purchase land. The loan has a 3.8% interest rate compounded monthly, and she must pay 547 ringgit and 36 cents monthly. A. Calculate the number of equal payments required. A, as we all know, is considered as present value, and A equals to 50,000, K equals to 0.038, M equals to 12, and R equals to 547.36. I equals to 0.038 over 12. Formula that we're going to use in this question is A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I powered by negative N over I. 50,000 equals to 547.36 net 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 over 12 negative N over 0.038 over 12. After that, 50,000 over 547.38 equals to 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 over 12 powered by negative N over 0.038 over 12. After that, the calculate that we got is 91.3475519 equals to 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 over 12 powered by negative N over 0.038 over 12. After that, we got 91.3475519 multiplied by 0.038 over 12 minus by 1 equals to negative 1 plus 0.038 over 12 powered by negative N. After that, we got negative 0.71073279292 equals to negative 1.003166667 powered by negative N. After that, log 0.710132729 over log 1.003166667 equals negative N. After that, negative N equals to negative 107.9997318, and the final answer that we got is N equals to 108 payments.
Next, question B. Find the interest charge. We're going to use formula R equals to Rn minus E. So, 547 ringgit 56 cents times with 100 minus 50,000, we will get 9,140 ringgit 88 cents. Question C. How much should she pay if she wishes to settle the loan 2 years before the due date? A equals to 50,000 ringgit, N equals to 12 times 12 equals to 24. We're going to use formula present value. So A equals to R in curly bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. So 547 ringgit 36 cents in curly bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.038 divided by 12 to the power of negative 24 divided by 0.038 divided by 12. Then we will get A equals to 12,630 ringgit 62 cents.